Hi everyone, this is Atik. Welcome to our YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Before I am going to go further in our AI course, which is Artificial Intelligence course, it is always better to give you a clear difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning, because many people will think that artificial intelligence and machine learning are both same. Okay, whether any difference is there between them or whether they are actually separate fields, each and everything I am going to give in this particular session. So my dear students, here I am going to concentrate on the definitions of artificial intelligence, and I will compare the definition of AI with machine learning, so that you people will get a clear picture and the difference between them, so that it will be easy for you to understand the next topics. Is it clear? Now, let me give the clear difference between what is artificial intelligence and then what is machine learning, whether both are same or whether they are different. So let us concentrate first on the artificial intelligence definition. So which is already I have written here. What is artificial intelligence? Which already I have discussed in my introduction part, in my first part itself. AI is a branch of science which deals with what it will do. It which deals with helping machines, which in computers, helping machines finding solutions to complex problems in a more human-like fashion. So, in simple terminology, let us say this is our machine. This is a machine or a computer. So, for this machine, we will give problem as the input, and then what we will get output to? Solution. Since it is a normal computer only, no sir, computer also will take problem as input and it will give solution. But the one important thing you need to understand here is this word, human. This machine should take the problem as input and it should solve that problem. How it should solve? Like a human being. So which means for this particular machine, the characteristics of human being should be applied. Human characteristics that should be converted in the form of algorithm and it should be applied to this machine, then it will give the solution, which means this machine should solve the problem like how human beings will do. Okay, and then it will give the solution. This is artificial intelligence. I believe that you people got the clear picture now. Artificial intelligence is a branch of science which deals with helping machines finding solutions to complex problems in a more human-like fashion. How human beings will do? Like that. So the detailed scenario, why human beings problems, why human beings qualities, why human beings characteristics we should consider, everything I explained in my part 1 video already. So if you still have not watched that, you can go and watch that first part. Okay, this is artificial intelligence. Now what is machine learning? Okay, now I will clarify this one. So machine learning is a subcategory of AI. This is very important point. Machine learning is not a separate field. What is machine learning? Machine learning or ML is a subcategory of AI, artificial intelligence, that often uses statistical techniques to give the machines the ability to observe data. This is very important point. Machines the ability to observe data without explicitly receiving instructions to do so. What is the meaning of explicitly? Manually. Now, I will clear this difference now with the help of diagram. Same thing, this is our machine. Okay, this is a machine. Now, this machine also will take some problem. And it will also give solution. Then what is the difference between them? In machine learning, what we will do, it will make use of statistical techniques. Statistical techniques are nothing but mathematical calculations or mathematical methods to give the machines the ability to observe data, which means these machines, they will observe data. Observe data. Okay, to observe data without explicitly receiving instructions to do so, which means I am not going to tell the machine to do the work. Machine only will do the work by seeing the environment. This is the meaning of observing data. So this data will be observed by machine. See, lot of difference is there. Here I am not going to give the input manually to the machine. I am not going to give the problem manually to the machine. Machine will take this problem automatically. Machine will observe the problem automatically. Then by observing the problem, it will provide the solution. Okay. Now, how the machines will observe the data? I will give one simple example to air conditioner is there in the room, AC. Now AC, there are two ways now. One way is to adjust the temperature manually with the help of remote control. So we can set to 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Manual adjustment, which means I need to give the instruction to the AC, then it will operate. Okay, this is first case. Second case, there are some air conditioners at present. They don't require manual intervention of a human being. How they will adjust the temperature automatically? If more number of people will enter into the room, temperature will be adjusted automatically. How it is done? How it is done, tell me? With the help of sensors. What we call them? Sensors. So here also, sensors technology may be used. So these sensors, they will observe the data, and that data will be given as the problem to the machine, and it will provide the solution. So my dear student, this is what machine learning is all about. In machine learning, automatically machines will take the data, or observe the data in the form of input, and then they will produce the output. Whereas in artificial intelligence, just artificial intelligence will help the machines to find the solutions to complex problems. How? In a human-like fashion. That's what our AI is all about. Whereas machine learning is a subcategory of AI. What it will do, by using some statistical techniques, we are going to give the machines the ability to observe the data automatically, then provide the solution. This is what the main difference between AI and ML is. So I believe that you people got the clear difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML, yes, of course, they are separate fields, but they are closely related with one another. How they are closely related with one another? Because machine learning is a subcategory of AI. It is not a separate field. It is a subcategory of artificial intelligence. Once we know artificial intelligence, then we can apply machine learning to make our work in a much more fruitful way. This is what machine learning will do. So, first of all, the hierarchy is, we need to understand AI first. This is the procedure. Artificial intelligence we need to understand first. Once we have completed artificial intelligence, then we need to understand machine learning. This is the procedure we need to follow. I believe that you people got a clarity about the differences between AI and ML. So in my next sessions, let us continue the concepts of artificial intelligence. So with this, let me close my today's class. See you soon, everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.